What a fudge, everyone! What is the so-called ERFS system and why do you need that for your working holiday visa application to come to Japan? Well, here it is. I just tell you all about it in the next couple of seconds. Let's get started. Hello everyone, it's me, Sina, and like I mentioned before, today's topic is the ERFS system. It already annoys me again, but what can we do, right? We have to deal with whatever we got and we have to work with it and we have to work it out. But no worries. No worries, everyone. We definitely can do that. Okay, so the ERFS system is basically a registration process to get a certificate for entering Japan for the first 3 months of your stay. I did some research, right? I told you about it. And the ERFS system was supposed to be something that you actually didn't really need to apply for, because while you were processing your working holiday visa application, it was just something included, which granted you a 3-month stay in the very beginning in case you are not eligible somehow for a tourist visa of 3 months. So in Germany and a lot of European countries, it's no problem. You just can go to Japan and you have the tourist visa and that's fine. But when you have the working holiday visa, you can stay for 1 year, right? So the ERFS system was just something for the beginning that granted you access to come to Japan. But now it's so much more, and it changed the entire working holiday game, because now you need to find a guarantor, which is an organization that helps you out and supports you, especially in the beginning when you just arrived in Japan. But you need to find it before or while you apply for a working holiday visa and you're still in your country, which is a good thing because they really help you out when there's a problem. But on the other side, when you don't have a choice of, okay, I want to try this alone, I can do this, I'm a strong, independent deer, or maybe not and I feel a little bit insecure. When you don't have a choice, it kind of is super annoying, or not, or isn't it? But yeah, now you need to have a guarantor. And what kind of organization are you looking for? And now there are even more problems and more problems and more problems and more problems. Where to find such an organization that can be your guarantor? There is one which is really, really nice. They're called World Unite. And instead of just going through the internet and doing all those web page site organization check or whatnot, I just told you about World Unite and that you should definitely check them out, because they're just nice people and they really truly want to help you to get you over from wherever you live to Japan and to support you, especially in the beginning when you need help the most, basically. Japan really wants to have more foreigners in the country again, but they also are very concerned about this current situation, so therefore they try to find the middle way, and that's now only possible with hiring an organization to set you up with the certificate and everything. We can't do anything else more about it, right? But it's actually not a bad thing to have someone that you can rely on when you just moved to a country that you only knew because you watched anime, or you just read about it, or you already have been here on a vacation, but you actually truly don't know how the country works because you only have been here on vacation, or you have that beautiful, perfect picture, but you know it's not always perfect. And to have someone in those moments of need is just such a good feeling. Well, that's all for today. So in case you would like to get in contact with me, I have Instagram, Pinterest, and email address. You can also write a comment in the comment section down below because it's just right there. You just have to scroll down. But when you're a more shy type of person, don't worry, I totally understand. Just leave me a message on Instagram, DM, or email, as I just told you. Yeah, see you there. Everything else you need to know, such as how to fill out specific documents and what kind of documents, and even more information and downloading documents, everything is prepared in the video description down below, so please check it out. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like before you leave, and without further ado, gonna see you next time. Love you, またね and bye. Smoochie, smoochie. Kaboom!